Have you ever wondered what powers the apps you use every day, from the recommendations you get on Netflix to the self-driving features in a Tesla? There's a good chance the answer is a programming language called Python. It's one of the most widely used and influential languages today, and its popularity skyrocketed for a simple reason. It makes programming easier while being powerful enough to build real-world complex systems. In today's video, we're going to do a deep dive into Python. We'll explore what it is, uncover the secrets behind its incredible popularity, and see how it's being used by the biggest companies in the world to shape our future. So, what exactly is Python? Imagine a language designed with one core philosophy: write less, do more. That's Python in a nutshell. It was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum, who wanted to build a language that was both easy to read and powerful. Its syntax is so clean and straightforward that it almost reads like plain English. This minimalist design allows developers to focus on solving the actual problem they're working on, instead of getting bogged down in complicated language rules and punctuation. This is precisely why Python is almost always the top recommendation for anyone just starting their coding journey. It provides a gentle learning curve, making programming accessible and less intimidating. But don't let its simplicity fool you. The same language that's perfect for a beginner is also the go-to tool for senior engineers at top tech companies like Google, Meta, and Amazon. This unique combination of simplicity and power is the foundation of Python's success. One of Python's biggest superpowers is its incredible versatility. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife for programmers. You can use it for almost anything. Want to build a website? Python has powerful frameworks like Django and Flask that let you create dynamic web applications, from simple blogs to complex e-commerce platforms. Are you fascinated by artificial intelligence and machine learning? Python is the undisputed king in this domain. What about crunching huge amounts of data to find hidden insights? Python's data analysis tools are second to none. It doesn't stop there. You can use Python for automating repetitive tasks, building video games, developing desktop applications, and even for cybersecurity to find vulnerabilities in secure systems. This amazing flexibility isn't built into the core language itself. It comes from Python's massive ecosystem of libraries. So what are these libraries? Think of them as pre-built toolkits that give Python new abilities. Instead of writing code from scratch to perform a complex mathematical operation or to build a neural network, you can simply import a library and use its functions. For data science, you have libraries like NumPy for numerical operations and Pandas for data manipulation, which make working with large datasets a breeze. For artificial intelligence, there are giants like TensorFlow and PyTorch, which were developed by Google and Meta respectively. These libraries give developers the power to build and train sophisticated machine learning models with just a few lines of code. For web development, Django provides a full-featured framework that handles everything from user authentication to database management, allowing for rapid development of secure and scalable websites. This vast collection of libraries means that no matter what field you're interested in, there's likely a Python library that can help you get the job done faster and more efficiently. Another major reason for Python's dominance is its community. Python has one of the largest, most active, and most welcoming developer communities in the world. What does this mean for you as a developer? It means you are never alone. If you get stuck on a problem, there are countless forums like Stack Overflow, Reddit communities, and Discord servers filled with experienced developers who are happy to help. If you want to learn a new concept, you'll find an endless supply of free tutorials, articles, and video courses. This collaborative spirit is at the heart of the Python ecosystem. The community is constantly creating new libraries, improving existing ones, and contributing to the language itself. This constant stream of innovation ensures that Python stays relevant and on the cutting edge of technology. For new developers, this supportive environment is invaluable. It makes the learning process much smoother and less frustrating, encouraging more people to stick with coding and build amazing things. Now, let's talk about the field where Python truly reigns supreme: artificial intelligence and machine learning. When you hear about breakthroughs in AI, from natural language processing models like GPT to image recognition systems, Python is almost always working behind the scenes. Why? Because the journey from raw data to an intelligent model involves many steps, and Python excels at all of them. Companies like Google, Netflix, and Spotify collect massive amounts of data every single second. They use Python to process this data, clean it up, and prepare it for analysis. Then, using libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, their data scientists and machine learning engineers build predictive models. For Netflix, this means a recommendation engine that knows what movie you want to watch next. For Tesla, it's the AI that powers its autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. For Meta, it's the algorithms that decide what you see in your Instagram feed. Python's simple syntax allows developers to experiment with complex algorithms quickly, without getting lost in low-level implementation details. It allows them to focus on the logic of the model, not the boilerplate code. This rapid prototyping ability is crucial in a fast-moving field like AI. Beyond the flashy world of AI, Python is also a workhorse for automation. In any tech job, there are repetitive, manual tasks that consume a lot of time. This could be anything from renaming 1,000 files to pulling data from a website every hour or even managing servers. This is where Python shines as an automation tool. With just a few lines of Python script, you can automate these tedious processes and free up your time for more important work. DevOps engineers use Python to automate the deployment and management of software infrastructure. System administrators use it to manage networks and servers. Cybersecurity specialists use it to automate security checks and analyze potential threats. For example, a marketing analyst could write a simple Python script to automatically download daily sales reports, extract the key numbers, and email a summary to the team. This kind of practical, day-to-day utility is what makes Python so valuable in a corporate environment. It's a tool that directly improves efficiency and productivity across many different roles, not just for pure software developers. So when we put it all together, why has Python become so incredibly successful? It's because it strikes the perfect balance. It's easy enough for beginners to learn as their first language, yet powerful enough for experts to build the most sophisticated systems in the world. It's a general-purpose language, which means it's not locked into one specific field. Its flexibility, supported by a massive library ecosystem and a vibrant community, allows it to adapt and thrive in almost every area of technology. From web development to data science and from automation to artificial intelligence, Python provides a solid and reliable foundation. It has successfully positioned itself as the glue that holds many parts of the modern tech stack together. In short, Python is much more than just a programming language. It's a powerful tool that is actively building the future of technology. It empowers developers to bring ideas to life quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a student looking to start a career in tech, a professional wanting to upskill, or just a curious mind wanting to understand how the digital world works, learning Python is one of the best investments you can make. It opens doors to a wide range of exciting and high-demand career paths in AI, web development, data analysis, automation, and beyond. It gives you a strong foundation that will allow you to grow and adapt as technology continues to evolve. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Python and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use Python, drop a comment down below. I love reading them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on tech and programming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.